Another chance. tight rehearsals, we've come to the moment where our stars shine, our kids. And we are doing it live from the historic and now province of Pangasinan's emerging landmark, the Season Auditorium. This is the Paylani's Pop Music and Talent Center Recital Concert for Class 2012. Now please welcome with warm applause, Zaya Luis Pedagloria and Juan Joseph Enmore Pino Malanda for the recital intro.
Afternoon, everyone. My Lolo Romy started out planting seeds in 1997. According to him, he traveled to and fro 196 kilometers of about 65 minutes from Carmen to Dagupan. Passengers on his car were my mom and two titas. Then, in their tender ages, catching up on their scheduled sessions at Center for Pop Music, Philippines, Dagupan City Branch. It's been 15 years, the management is harvesting crops, and in that span of time, we, the second generation, has come out in the open. It wasn't planned at all to be this phenomenal. Nowadays, Lolo has just followed and tried out showing his passion to music and potentials in training a potential talent. My mom, who is Muntinluccia, Philippines, way back in 1991, soared high where she is a celebrity then. Didn't we have the lone and longest running pop music school in northern and central Luzon right now? If she was invaded by the showbiz industry back then, now I knew the answer myself. God has planned for allowing things done and over. So much to that, at this point, let me call my infant Zaya Luis for a short recap of Pop and PC, the home of the champion's history in San. Yes, in San. On its 15 years of operation, Pop and PC is truly a limelight giver. For years after years, it has produced more than 100 of champions already. Be it in academic, and most particularly in the world of